Today's June 24th, 2019. About 6 o'clock p.m. Mountain Time, I woke up and took a shower. The water is up and running. You can see the mirror's all foggy because I'm not able to be seen. So I tell you this. This feels wonderful. I fixed the whole water well system. That's a lot. To try to remove it, it break midway, lose everything, pull the wire from 152 feet to get the whole 300 plus feet out, and then hook the pipe from 258 feet, pull it all out, and then on top of that drop an airlift pump and pump all the sediment out from 392 feet, all this thick gunky stuff, and now reinstall it all back with a brand new pump. I'm gonna have a nice shiny hair again, clean cheeks, a nice chinny chin. I'm one happy camper now out in the desert of Mesquite, Colorado. Thank you all for your support and everything that y'all have viewed on my YouTube channel on the progress of fixing a water well at 380 feet with a total overall of 392 feet. Thank you.